Hello everyone, this is Kendall Malsom here, the Graduate Assistant for Student Center Operations, and today I'm taking a video to show how we put images onto all of our treadmills in the Drysdale Fitness Center. So the first step is going to be get a USB flash drive. This will be the one provided to you, and it contains, all you gotta do is take any image you want, put on the treadmill, put it onto this flash drive, so that way we could upload onto the treadmills. So the first thing you're going to do is lift up this cover. And it's going to have many different inputs to use. You're just going to want to stick this flash drive right into one of these USB drives ports. So we're all plugged in, the blue light is on, which means it's in there and it's connecting to the treadmill. So the first step you're going to want to do is click on default setting, and this will take you to a screen, and you're going to want to click on engineering setting. Getting to the engineering setting, it's going to ask you for a password. The password is so the year in which the fitness center was made, and we put these treadmills in here, if you need a reminder, and then just hit enter. This is going to bring you to a screen of different settings, time and date, touchscreen, time limits. All you're going to want to do is click on the date and time setting and hit enable. This will take you to further into the treadmill, into the workings of the treadmill. So you're going to want to just click from there on the home logo. It's the little house right here. That's going to take you into the basics of the treadmill, which if you didn't know, the treadmill is run basically off an iPad that has programming that makes the treadmill work. So from here, we're going to want to click on this circle with squares into it. And this takes us to all the apps and widgets in the treadmill. So the app you're looking for is Total Command. And as you see, as soon as we pulled it up, you got a streamline of images right here, and you got downloads on the side. So what we're going to want to do is match the two. So on the left, this is everything that is contained within the USB drive. The treadmills already recognize this USB drive. As you can see by storage, USB Fitness Center Screens 2018. That is the file on the USB that contains all the images. So let's say we just got a new image and we want to upload it. So we'll use the co-ed soccer image as an example. All you gotta do is click on to this, onto your image. You'll see a green check mark. Go down, click on the file transfer button, and it's going to give you options to copy, move, or send via Bluetooth. You're just going to want to hit copy, and you can already see it says error writing the target file. Basically, this image is already on the treadmill, so it doesn't need to be transferred, but for example, that's what I want to show. So we'll go over here and look on this side. You'll see the options. You have SD card, USB photos. You're just going to want to click on USB, and that's going to bring you to this USB up here. So you see that we have Lost Dogs, Lost DIR 10, Fitness Screens. Just click on Fitness Screens 2018 and you see the images. And the goal is you have to have these match these. So like I said, anytime you get a new photo on, as you can see all these are already uploaded, you're just going to want to click onto it, select it, green check mark, go down, convert, hit copy, and it's going to say, because it's going to give you an error because it's already on the other side. But that's just an example. And as you can see, you can scroll up and down. You have many images to look from and choose from. And then last but not least, when it's time to finish with the treadmill, you're going to want to hit the home button. This will take you back to this blank screen. And from there, you're going to want to go to the back of the treadmill. You'll see the on and off switch, this green right here, and you're just going to want to turn the treadmill off. Wait about 5 to 10 seconds just to let the treadmill reset. Turn the treadmill back on. And the treadmill is automatically going to go back to that original screen. The number one rule is you must always turn the treadmill on and off to reset. If you do not do that, there's a chance you might delete the software on the treadmill, and thus leaving the treadmill unusable. Thank you for watching this video. For more questions, please refer back to the PowerPoint or document folder and for the GA for student involvement. Thank you.